This short video is designed to give you an overview of the e-portfolio system we have at the college called Mahara. Firstly, to get to it, if you log on to the new Learn Zone, then go to College Links and Mahara ePortfolio. It should automatically log you in. On the right hand side you will see that it's pulled through your name from your user account. I've already been on Mahara, so yours will be completely empty the first time you log in, but as you can see I've already got groups and some recent activity. As you come in, you go onto what's called your dashboard, which is completely customizable, and you can decide what you want coming up on your home page. So at the moment I've got pages on the left hand side, I've got recent activity there, I've got topics or forums that I'm following. And to edit that you would go to the portfolio section, which I will show you in another video. As well, on the dashboard you also have a list of the online users, and if you click on that on your online user it will take you to their portfolio, and then you can add them as a friend if you request. Second thing is content. This area contains all your personal information. Nothing will be shared in Mahara unless you decide to share it. So profile information, you can put your picture on there, you can upload files, you can write journals or blog entries, a bit like a diary. You can write a resume or a CV, lots of sections there. Also useful if you want to use it with students to get them to create a CV. And you've also got a plan section, which is a bit like a task list. As you move forward from content then, you've got portfolio. Again, this section is just for you unless you decide to share it with someone else. What this section allows you to do is create mini web pages that you can share with other people. So it could be a topic that you're quite interested in, you can create a page, or it could be that you'll get your students to do a portfolio where you want them to gather information from lots of different sources and they can put it into one page, so all their evidence is in one area. So I've done an example with a My Mahara page. So what you can do on this page is you can have an introduction, so you can embed YouTube clips. I've put my task list in there earlier, got my profile information, I've got some text boxes of the way I want to use Mahara. I've also got a journal entry that I've decided to put in there. But if you go edit this page, there's many other options. You can put in external content for RSS feeds, Google Apps, so Google Calendar or Google Document. You can put files, images, videos. You can put recent forum posts, which might be good for students as evidence of their participation online. You've got your journal entries, any of your profile information, and your resume as well. So there's quite a lot of scope in pages, and there will be a separate video just on pages showing you how to create one. So if we go done on that, it takes me back to where we were. The last main section on the navigation is groups. Now this is the social area really of Mahara. So tutors can set up groups, and then they can decide to invite people to that group or just let them join. And a group can be on anything, it's just when you want to collate people together and they can share things. You've also got a friends section, so you can be friends with anybody in the college who's on Mahara. You've also got a shared pages section, which is a section of pages that have been shared with you by other people. And you've got a topic section, so that's any forums or topics that you are actually involved in. So it's all quite neat for you in one place. But the key difference really between the sections is that it's the group section where things are being shared and you're communicating with others. You also notice on the main page, if we go back, you've got an inbox, so you can private message people within Mahara. And once you start becoming in groups, you also get this list on the right hand side. There is a settings section if there's anything you want to change, all about the permissions on friends, how many emails you get and things like that, so that's also an option. Hopefully that gives you a brief overview of Mahara, what it's capable of, and please see the other videos for more information.